Hello from Rome. It's like 3 something in Rome on Tuesday. And we got to our Airbnb and we took a nap. And now we're showered and headed out on the hunt for pizza or pasta or hey, maybe both. But I'll show you guys around our Airbnb. It is a lot bigger than the last two. But yeah, it's super cute. So you walk in and here's the room. There's Jenny. And then right across there's a little mini like washer dryer. And then that leads into the bathroom. Yo. And then we have like an actual kitchen area, dining table, living area, and this super cute little balcony. How adorable. That looks so pretty. Yeah, so super excited that we're here now, and so from here on out we'll just be in Italy and going all different cities around Italy so we can really master our Italian. But we don't have any like set plans for tonight. We just want food. We haven't eaten all day. And then we're going to the Vatican tomorrow and like the Sistine Chapel, all that. So that's really exciting. Yeah, I've been to Rome before. Jenny has not. So I'm really excited for her to fall in love with it because I love Rome. This pizza is so good. It is straight up hitting the spot right now. Much needed. We just had some super bomb pizza. So good. So good. It's really windy right now, so sorry if you guys can only hear wind. Yeah, and hey, look what's behind me. It's the Colosseum. Is it good? Yeah. Cheers. Yay! First gelato. What if it just fell off? That'd be so sad. Would that be? Already. About to witness me breaking a wine bottle. Having some technical difficulties. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, you got it. Hey, I see it. Squirming its way out. Oh, I'm sweating. There's gonna be people ripping me apart in the comments like, you're doing it wrong. No shit. I don't understand how else a way you could do it. I'm gonna punch myself in the face. How did you? I just wiggled. Ooh, it's wiggling. It's getting there a little more. It's gonna take us like an hour. I know. Ow, this thing freaking like pinches. Oh, it's going. Yeah! Oh. Yeah! We got it! So the method is between the legs. How was it? It tastes like €5 wine. Now it's like 8 o'clock or something at night and we're just sitting on our balcony. 8:30. At our Airbnb, and we're just gonna discuss the highs and lows while drinking some wine. Of the day so far? How about of the trip? The trip. I don't know, the high would be like the new like a scenery, like architecture wise, like pretty like buildings, like you don't get a lot of like seeing stuff like that, you know? That's only been a high for me. Wow, didn't know you were gonna take it that deep. I know. I think a high for me is just the fact that we did this trip and I didn't chicken out because I think especially my I think my family especially thought that I would like chicken out. She was gonna leave me high and dry. Yeah, no I wasn't gonna chicken out. But yeah, I think just the fact that I got the courage to just do this trip It's just a high on itself because that high is leading to all these other highs.
I was nervous.
Yeah, very nerve-wracking, but we're 1 week in, so that's a high all in itself. And in Amsterdam, I don't know why I really liked the Dam lookout, the swing. Cool. It was so fun. I felt like I was on a roller coaster.
Experience.
That was so fun.
Yeah.
Okay, what about a low? Here, take a drink.
A low? I don't know. Kind of miss my mom because I can't talk to her on the phone, but that's okay. So we don't have no service.
That's
well,
low.
It costs money too.
Yeah,
Call money. That sucks.
Yeah. I think a low for me is no, like, not like no service in the way that I want to be on my phone the whole time, but not good enough like service and Wi-Fi where I'm scared that I'm not going to be able to upload these vlogs on time.
Yeah.
And I was really excited about posting these like on time and just keeping to my goal of posting on time. And so I'm really like just annoyed about that.
Yeah.
But I'll post them at some point, so it's like not the end of the world. But besides that, a big low is just all this public transportation that we have to learn how to navigate. Like, it's cool.
Oh my gosh, it's so...
But it's a headache. Like, it's
every
really
time we get somewhere new, we're like...
Yeah. Like, by the time we get down, like, the metro system or something in one city, we have to leave it and figure out a new one. Hey guys, so today we're at the Vatican. We're here right now. We went through the Sistine Chapel earlier. Obviously, you can't take photos in there at all, and I didn't want to be one of those disrespectful people who like snuck a photo either, so yeah, but we went through that. It's literally amazing. Spent like probably like 20-30 minutes in there just staring at the ceiling. It's so incredible. But yeah, and so we're just walking around the Vatican for like most of the day. We've been here like an hour or so already, and there's still so much to see. We only went into like the Sistine Chapel so far. Like, there's still the museum to see. So yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Took on the Morningstar development, bulldozed the nurse's old house. I do regret that. I had a good run here, but after you and Tom and Donna and April and Terry left, I looked around.
So right now, we're walking around the entire perimeter of the Vatican
for fun.
For shits and gigs. Because basically took a wrong turn. It went the entire way around, and there was no other way to go because it was too far once we realized. That's what's happening right now. We're miles and miles through clueless Italian countryside. We made it, and Jenny's really mad at me. But we made it, that's all that matters, and it's a good story to tell. We are now on the hunt for gelato. Just walked around all out here. We were gonna get in this huge line to get inside of like the dome and everything, but like, that's a really long line. And we really want gelato, so we're gonna go find gelato and go get gelato. We got our gelato. We are happy. We got it from this place over here. The long line. Jenny's getting her pics in. Cheers.
Play as time goes by.
So we found this little cafe. We got our cappuccinos because we're like really so my camera died. So we're on my phone. So it's a lot not as good quality, but we're really tired, as I was saying. And we just needed a quick little pick-me-up before dinner. So we stumbled upon this super cute cafe that only had cappuccinos for €1. And so we were like, let's do it. Let's do it. Hello, so I got my camera all charged. I switched out my batteries. Yeah, it died in like the end of the day yesterday, but it's really bright right here, but the lighting's good. So I'm just like sacrificing. But yeah, so today we're just gonna bum around again, go to the Trevi Fountain, right? Yeah, we're gonna go to the Trevi Fountain. But right now we're gonna go get like cappuccinos and something I don't really know. I do need a cappuccino though. We got our pizza. Jenny got a normal margarita pizza. I got a white sauce one with like a lot of cheese. We got cappuccinos again from this place we were yesterday because we just couldn't resist. We had to come back. So good. Check out my Insta story and my highlights to see where this place is. I tagged it and everything. Yeah. We are on our way to find the Spanish Steps and have our little Liz McGuire moment. You ready? You're making your wish. Thank you. Ready? This is crazy. So many people. Oh my goodness. Going to this here pub. Getting us a good old brewski. Because it's hot. So it looks like we're here at the perfect time because the game just started. Lift it up. Cheers. That's heavy. So we got dinner.
We did.
We got focaccia. We got wine.
And what is it called? Rigatoni.
Yes.
And we got some red wine.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
We got some white wine. It's the house stuff. Hi. Is a video? Okay. Okay.
We out here on this glorious new day.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday. That's new. I don't know. I'm like, I can't speak. I like can't speak today.
We had a late start today.
Yeah, we woke up at like 11 because we were tired and hungover. And now we just ate, and this cool thing's behind me. But we're going to find the best gelato ever. Yeah, and then the rest of the day, don't know what's gonna happen. Just gonna find our way through it. Dun, dun, dun. We have arrived. Yum.
Should I get raspberry chocolate? I don't know if coffee tastes good raspberry.
We got our cones. They're melting very fast.
Look really good.
I got raspberry, strawberry, and mango. And Jenny got, what'd you get?
Raspberry, chocolate chip, and chocolate.
Nice. Guys, so we are packing up to leave Rome and we're on our way to Naples. Yeah, this morning I woke up feeling very sick, so that's just perfect. But yeah, I just wanted to wrap up the vlog here. Yeah, so Naples is next and pumped for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next vlog in Naples.